day 2 of my Botswana adventure. Yesterday I had a lot of rain and today it's still pretty cloudy. Weather predictions for the next coming days are much better. But yeah, it's the rain season, so what can you expect? Good thing is I have a tailwind, so riding will be much easier from now on. And it's all asphalt. Today I'm going to Ganzi. That's the first big town in Botswana. It's another 110 kilometers. Yesterday I spotted 2 hyenas on the road, which was pretty cool. I slept at the Jungle Light Lodge, where I could stay for free in a big room, big safari room, also really cool. So thank you very much for that, dear lady. So yeah, let's keep on going. Yesterday I was stopped by a car and some South African tourists stepped out and they offered me a cold drink and we started chatting a little bit. And as always, they were really interested in my cycling trip and in my bicycle, and they had a lot of questions to ask. And at the end of the conversation they wanted to take a selfie with me and they continued their own trip. Well, that gave me the idea to make a list of the most frequently asked questions people ask me about this trip. So here we go. Question number 1. The most frequently asked question these days is, how old are you? 10 years ago I did my first long cycling trip, also in Africa. Nobody asked. But these days, apparently, I aged really bad. So these days, one of the questions is, sir, how old are you? Question number 2. Another question people frequently ask me is, where do I sleep? Well, as you can see, I got my tent here right with me. And I do a lot of camping. But to be brutally honest, I prefer a nice clean hotel with nice white sheets. So, but hey, it is what it is. Question number 3. A question I get a lot is how many kilometers do you cycle per day? Well, it kind of depends on both the weather conditions and the road conditions. For example, last week I had a full week of headwinds. And yesterday I had to go to the next town, which was 100 kilometers away, and it took me almost 7 hours to get there, so I was really struggling. So yeah, it depends. Question number 4. Many people ask me if I'm not afraid of wild animals. Well, I just entered the Nxai National Park, which is full of lions and elephants. And I can tell you this, the adrenaline is going to the roof in my body right now. It's insane. It's not that I'm feeling scared, but I'm so hyper. So that's the answer to the question.
Plainer, saner, when you remember all the danger we came from.
Question number 6. People ask me if I feel lonely. Well, today I don't feel lonely.
You can run on for a long time, run on for a long time, run on for a long time. Sooner or later gotta cut you down, sooner or later gotta cut you down. Go tell that long-tongued liar, go and tell that midnight rider, tell the rambler, the gambler, the backbiter, tell him that God's gonna cut him down, tell him that God's gonna cut him down. Well, my goodness gracious, let me tell you the news. My head's been wet with the midnight dew. I've been down on bended knee, talking to the man from Galilee. He spoke to me with a voice so sweet, I thought I heard the shuffle of angels sweet. He called my name and my heart stood still when he said, John, go do my will. Go tell that long-tongued liar, go and tell that midnight rider, tell the rambler, the gambler, the backbiter, tell him that God's gonna cut him down, tell him that God's gonna cut him down. You can run on for a long time, run on for a long time, run on for a long time. Sooner or later gotta cut you down, sooner or later gotta cut you down. Well, you may throw your rock, hide your hand, working in the dark against your fellow man, but as sure as God made black and white, what's done in the dark will be brought to the light. You can run on for a long time, run on for a long time, run on for a long time. Sooner or later gotta cut you down, sooner or later gotta cut you down. Go tell that long-tongued liar, go and tell that midnight rider, tell the rambler, the gambler, the backbiter, tell him that God's gonna cut you down, tell him that God's gonna cut you down, tell him that God's gonna cut you down.
Tomorrow I'm going to cross 2 national parks and have to avoid the elephants and the lions.